she leaving, never coming back. That's why I hate to get attached. Show the things they never seen, cause I thought sure they had my gotta keep my pistol on my waist. No, baby, I can't never lay. I turned around and looked away. Ain't think you was standing in my face. Can't blame me, I don't know how to treat a woman. Ain't go over the day, no lie. I gave my heart to plenty women. And they did me born as a penny. And I still gave you everything I had. Smiles all on my face, but all inside a nigga hurting bad. I wish that I could stop him from being my mama, but I couldn't. I used to come.
Yeah.
Let me get out that bit.
Hey, at some point, get in the middle, I'm gonna go around.
I bet. What's that, bet?
Man, when you got that door?
For a Tahoe? Hey, had to play that new
I
shit.
be loving you, cause the way that I be fucking you, big dog, ain't no spine, ain't no running, boo. Hey, get that big lid on that bitch too, bro.
Ain't no copyright, this our shit, huh, B? Nigga said, fuck copyright, we ain't getting copyright with this bitch.
Oh, yeah.
Them bitches look good already, and you ain't even editing them bitches, huh? That bitch record too?
Yeah. I'm gonna send you them bitches too. From music.
You gonna slide that bitch, son? Ooh, that bitch gonna be plush. Oh, that's the big ass lens. That bitch look like it about $800.
Yeah, this that bitch for close up, son.
Yeah.
I ain't lying, son.
So you be far way back there and that bitch zoom in, huh?
Zoom in, I'm talking about, nigga, they look like I'm shooting a movie on that bitch.
These folks got to hit this shit sauce.
Imagine vlogging with that shit every day.
Telling y'all, son, the next meet, I gotta hop in that bitch with one of y'all boys and I'ma vlog the whole thing. Like I'm talking about from when y'all
You know
leave.
you could have rolled me the other meet because everybody else counts.
Swear, son, why you ain't tell me?
I wouldn't think you.
Son, that bitch.
Last minute. It was last
I ain't lying, that bitch was dumb. That bitch was dumb.
that bitch
Niggas was cutting up too.
Never thought about losing you.
Yeah,
man, y'all go fuck with that FMN tray, man. You should have watched this bitch. Tell them to go fuck with that beat. Yeah. Yeah, we promote everything.
Gotta go to the
We should do that.
Hey, you should have did a. Hey, do a music video, like a regular video, a one scene video with your car in the parking lot like this.
I can record that.
Shit, hey, he can record that for real.
Telling you, son, this shit.
What's your I think I follow you on Instagram. I don't know that bitch for sure though. I'm gonna put that bitch in the video. Alright.
Yeah.
Hey, bitch, hey, you was getting in that bitch though. Hey, you was spinning that bitch wide.
Hold on.
Shit, shit. Nigga showing off for that camera, nigga ain't never slide that good. See, that's on some. I need me a camera, son.
Shit.
It look like a real ass vlog. Like, you see how better that bitch make it look?
That
Shit,
bitch do look good.
I told you stop after that, son. I was trying to tell you stop after that. That bitch had stopped, son.
Oh.
Look,
I got that bitch on here though. In that bitch. Start that bitch up, bees. Alright, B, cut. Bees, cut. Yeah, man, look, man, we at that rap shop, you heard me? Yeah, B, tell them where we at.
That rap shop?
Yeah, Lil Woody. You already know, ain't nothing major. You hear me, little shitty dick? Little shitty dick over here. My dog unwrapping the car right there. We wrapping a Lexus. Big picture Patreon out here. Hot boy. Y'all see a hashtag. And we letting this bitch charge up, man. My dog dropped this car 4 months ago. Car still ain't goddamn wrapped. You hear me? We got a problem, Tex. Tex, we got a problem. Niggas tripping, man. You hear me? Yeah, man.
I mean, I ain't getting
Keep talking about they don't pay. Just get that man his bread back.
Trying to get his bread, get his bread back. Fuck it. Get that man his bread back. Tripping. Yeah. Look that bit, man. Look, man. He playing with that man, bro. Tell them boys I do YouTube.
Yes, Lord.
Y'all wanna hit the blunt? Hit the blunt.
Yeah.
Oh, you drop something out that blunt. Fuck it. Damn. Somebody rev the engine on that bitch, man.
It might be.
Hey, you got a trailer out here right now? Or you got
I'll
a...
go get one.
I got a partner that tow.
That's a part, so he gonna pay for the tour. He said he gonna pay for the tour now.
Bet.
I ain't gonna lie though.
Shit, he might as well pay Quinn though. He might as well pay Quinn, Cole might as well pay Quinn.
Man from the crying shit.
That man wants his car back and his money.
I'm cracking my side. I don't play with my clothes.
Oh no, it would've known it.
That nigga finna cry.
Try to start that bitch up now, B.
Oh, that bitch stick.
Hey, somebody rev the engine of that security car. Man, B, go handle that for me.
Hey, let. Fix that. You had dragged that bitch. That bitch moved.
Shit, come on, we can check it. They got oil in it?
Yeah, it got Earl.
Yeah, that bitch got Earl.
Now I'm about to blow this bitch up. I'm about to blow this bitch up. Y'all ready? Boom! Stand the fuck back. Stand the fuck back. Y'all like from my fucking head. Mm-hmm. Woo! Nigga,
The clip clapping on there. You not.
It ain't coming on, motherfucker. Look.
This nigga don't know how to put the booster cables on.
Oh, I'm supposed to put it on that part.
This nigga here, bro.
So that nigga ain't coming.
350 flow Cleveland.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
My shit.
Shit, yeah, can't let them niggas know, man. You heard me? Big Ford, big power by Ford. Beezy.
I'll be calling those too.
I'll be calling soon I wake the fuck up. You ever been in a security car? They need to clean that bitch. Ooh, boy, they got the L on this bitch. Oh yeah, they got the L on this bitch. Yeah? That bitch sounds good as the motherfucker. Look at how this nigga pull up. Come on. You good. You good. You good.
Come here, you going to jail? Alright, look, I'm looking. Oh, dilated fry in the sides. Alright, boom. I got a code. You ready? 53, 53. 5353. You got me?
Yeah.
Alright, baby.
This bitch is real loud as a bitch. That must be the new 2023 bitches do that. Cause this bitch ain't tuned.
That bitch might got a 10 speed. Let somebody, I don't know, let somebody really had, that she got to do them 4,000 miles, somebody did something to this bitch.
Right.
She got it. What if that bitch got a supercharger on underneath? And it just don't show you that on there.
Oh, nigga, remember that. Yeah? Nigga burning out with us. What the fuck? I bet you won't slide that bitch. That bitch look good. We was gonna pull off. Shit, no, man, that's the same color as that car. Yes, it is. Come out here. You see that shit? You don't see that purple and that blue? Nigga, look at the camera.
It's matching the car for sure.
Nigga, look at the camera.
I've been tight.
Hey.
Boy, y'all do that wrong.
Shit, no, I'm gonna do that on my F-250.
That's it. What do you want? For real.
I know what I do want. I know what I do want. I know what I want. You fucking around, you gonna see what I want. 392 in this bitch. Widebody 2023 last call. Charger back there. 392. Yeah. Mustang right here. This bitch full both on the 5 and shit. Feel me? Nigga, we get active. And that bitch got star cylinders in that bitch. You heard me? Look at that motherfucker right here, nigga. My dog Bees did that. Yeah, get at him for them brakes. You heard me? And he did them lights on that bitch. You heard me? Look at them lights. Brush and shit. You heard me?